Karnataka has a beautiful coastline, and there are famous beaches like Gokarna, Udupi, Malpe, and Mangalore. But very less people know about a place called Ankola. And on this beautiful sunny day, I welcome you all from this unexplored gem of Ankola.
The road to Ankola from Bengaluru is awesome. It passes through beautiful state and national highways. The 540-kilometer drive took us less than 10.5 hours. We decided not to stop outside for food and prepared our own stuff on road.
So we are kind of having a picnic on road using this butane gas stove, which runs on small canister of butane. Extremely portable, extremely easy to carry. I shall put the product link in the description in case you want to check that out.
The final 3-4 kilometer stretch is a little tricky as the road is narrow and it requires careful driving.
So we just checked in. Let me show you the room. An attached toilet, a sitting area with nice flat sitting arrangement, a small TV, and this is the bedroom with twin beds. We have a fan, an AC, hope it works, and yeah, a mini bar, a cupboard. So pretty much it.
Before using the room, we made sure to sanitize all the touch points thoroughly.
Good morning, guys. It's a fresh start from Ankola. Today is the second day, and I was not feeling like filming yesterday, so woke up early and decided to have a walk around the property, show you things around. I'm standing here on Red Earth Gokarna, though they call it Gokarna, but technically this place falls in Ankola, and I'll just show you the place around. It's beautiful. So that is Honey Beach, kind of semi-private for this property. You don't see much people here, and it's really good to be in places like this, especially during this pandemic situation where you want to go out, but again, like, you are not comfortable in places which are very much crowded. So I would say this is the kind of place. Let's see what we have here. As part of our effort in sustainable tourism, 98% of our staff are from local village and tribal community. Their hospitality is simple and genuine. Please bear in mind their rural background. These places are rustic, very basic, and come here only if you can appreciate the nature, its people, and their I would say natural behavior. I like this kind of, old charm fort like architectures. Let's walk through rest of the property before we head for the breakfast. So this is the reception. This is a little souvenir shop they have, gift shop. They have some local and homemade natural essential oils, some candles, some perfumes which you can buy. We will explore that later. So that is the dining area, that is the covered dining area. There are some outside open air sitting arrangements as well. My voice, guys, it's really bad. I had a sore throat and I've been under medication for a while, so I have little difficulties in speaking, but anyway, I want to share everything I see in here with you. This place has a lot of greeneries around. We're looking for, a resort minus all those 5-star facilities, plus calm and close to nature stay, then definitely this is a kind of place I can recommend. What are these rooms? So I think these are yoga and meditation centers. I was reading through the reviews. A lot of people come here, spend a week or so just to do the yoga courses and meditation and all those things. So this is another approach to the ocean. So after this pandemic stuff, this is our first trip, and we were looking for a place which is a little secluded, which is not a very popular place with a lot of crowd, because things are not over yet, I believe, so we still need to be careful. Now I'm feeling really hungry, so let's go up there and see what others are doing. Here they have strict timings for their breakfast, lunch, dinner and high tea, and be respectful to that. So this is our hut. As you can see, there are a lot of trees around. The one thing is great about this place is the freshness. The moment you step out of your room and you take the first breath, you can really sense the freshness of the air. Okay, I'll go inside and freshen up and then maybe head for the breakfast.
After simple yet fulfilling breakfast, we headed straight to the beach because kids were dying to jump into water.
If you are looking for a holiday on a beach, I believe this is the kind of place you should be in. This is Honey Beach, Ankola, and there is no soul. There is no other soul, only us. So many people say name of this beach is Honey Beach because the color of water looks like honey, but I don't see any resemblance with honey. Let's go and explore those rocks.
After spending so much time in water, we felt really hungry and had a great feast with seafood during our lunch.
So it is great to enjoy our cup of tea from a place like this. Let me show you what we have in front of us. See, it is so beautiful. And after finishing our tea, maybe we will go and sit on those rocks to enjoy the sunset. And there is our gang. So what all we have here? This is
Ghee roast crab,
crab ghee roast. This one is
mackerel tawa fry,
mackerel tawa fry, chili prawn,
egg fried rice.
egg fried rice. Good morning all. Another fresh start of the day. Today is our last morning at Ankola. So we decided to go and have a boat ride. It's not very much organized here. So you have to talk to the fishermen and arrange for your boat. We are waiting and enjoying the view. Enjoying? What about you?
The boat ride was fun, but these fishing boats are narrow, so if you have motion sickness or afraid of water, better to avoid it. Plus, you don't get any life jacket or other safety measures.
So our holiday is finally over and now it's time to go home. But before that, let me give you honest review of this place. And I must say, this is a gem of a location. So if you are looking for a place which is not very much crowded and not very popular, not very touristy, I believe you can come here. in Honey Beach, Ankola. And my impression of this Red Earth resort is very good. It is not a luxury resort, so don't expect jacuzzi and swimming pool over here, but it is nicely tucked within nature. It's very secluded, has its own private beach. We enjoyed the food, we enjoyed the stay. The staffs are very helpful.
Oh, this location is very awesome. I mean, if you can see all the beaches over there, you can just access it as if it's your private beach. And their setup is very good. You'll come again.
Yeah. If you have liked this video, give it a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Till we meet next time, stay safe, stay happy.